Take a look at this new 2011 Chevrolet Silverado 1500. For your protection, this vehicle has a full factory warranty. This vehicle gets 13 miles per gallon in the city, and 18 on the highway. The Silverado 1500 boasts a 5.3-liter engine, and has a 6-speed automatic transmission. Additional options for this vehicle include the emissions, federal requirements, rear axle, 3.08 ratio, transmission, 6-speed automatic, wheels, 418x8 45.7 cm x 20.3 cm aluminum, interior plus package, tires, P265/65 R18 on off-road, white outlined letter in the suspension package, off-road. Call 877-542-2424 or email our friendly sales staff today to schedule a test drive.